Introducing IoniFlow, an innovative battery cooling solution for EV vehicles. By harnessing the ionic caloric cooling effect, IoniFlow optimizes the performance and extends battery life. This technique uses potassium iodide salt to lower the melting point of ethylene carbonate refrigerant. As they operate in latent heat zone, the temperature rise of the coolant is reduced, improving the heat transfer. Designed as an easy retrofit for existing systems, IoniFlow tackles the thermal challenges in heavy electric vehicles, delivering efficient and reliable cooling where traditional methods fall short. The total system consists of three main components: pump, electrolyzer, and the static mixer. The top pipe serves as inlet, collecting the refrigerant from the existing cooling plates after absorbing heat. The bottom pipe is outlet, returning the coolant refrigerant to the cooling plates for heat extraction. The electrolyzer is specially designed and utilizes capacitive deionization, which is considered as an energy efficient technology for brackish water desalination. It deionizes the refrigerant by applying electrical potential difference over two electrodes. Unlike the traditional one, the electrolyzer features central perforated electrodes to increase surface area, enhancing the extraction of potassium iodide from the working fluid. Secondary electrodes assist in transporting the salt into the peripheral channels. These three channels ensure a continuous supply and extraction of potassium iodide. Excess heat generated during this process is absorbed and dissipated with the help of fins present at the top. The separated solvent and the concentrated salt solutions are collected from central and peripheral channels respectively, and they are sent to static mixer. The salt solution passes through a control valve to regulate the mixing. The solvent and the solute are mixed efficiently using a static mixer. The mixed solution is made ready for a new cycle of heat extraction after it exits the outlet. The entire process can be enclosed in a custom retrofit casing and mounted next to the battery pack. By analyzing the cooling effect caused by the proposed working fluid and regular coolant, shows a great difference in applying the same input factors, and a COP of 2.89 is achieved.